Sit back and relax as we tell you how you can make shorts in bulk with ChatGPT and Canva. Step 1. ChatGPT. I'm sure you are all familiar with the wonders of AI at this point, and at the forefront stands ChatGPT. Now, to use this money-making technology, you'd obviously need access to it first. Once you're logged into the website, make sure you are in a new conversation with the AI. Now comes the tricky part, the prompts that will help you move out of your grandma's basement. In the text box, ask the AI to generate 40 to 50 facts on topics that will grab your viewers' attention. They could be anything from psychology to relationships to life, and if you are being a little naughty, sex-related facts as well. Hey, if it works, it works. No judgments here. Remember, you need more views and viewer engagement. Finding the exact wording for the perfect prompt will be challenging only for the first time because, after that, you'll be reusing the one that works for you. So, play around and do a little trial and error till you find the perfect balance. You can choose whichever facts you like, that's on you. But to completely automate the process, you'll have to ask the AI to arrange these in a table of 3 columns. The first one will be topic, and the others will be part 1 and part 2. You'll have to specifically mention to the AI that you want the fact to be split up into 2 parts. Another thing to specify would be to not repeat the facts. Okay, so now you have a complete table with topics and facts. But how will you get more facts once you are done with these? Simply type in the box asking the AI to generate 20 more facts following the same instructions, making sure no facts are repeated. One thing to note is not to be greedy and keep it to 50 facts or less. Otherwise, the AI might encounter some bugs, and it'll be hectic to sort that out. Step 2. Canva. Canva might have a bad rep for stealing digital artist jobs, but that's kind of why we'll be using it. Remember, our goal is to automate the whole process and ensure the computer does all the work while you sit back and watch the numbers go up. To make sure this method works, you'll need the premium or pro version of Canva. You might ask, hey, weren't we supposed to do it for free? For a complete step-by-step guide, you can watch our video on how to get Canva Pro free lifetime. The link will be in the description down below. Now, once you are on the home page, type YouTube Shorts in the search box. A drop-down menu will show various template options, but you'll select the YouTube Shorts template. Once there, click on Create a Template. This might seem overwhelming at first, but you won't have to repeat these steps. Moving on, you need a background video for the short. Here, click on the Videos tab on the left, and from there, search for a background of your liking. Usually, the best ones are serene landscapes or water bodies. Make sure that whichever video you select has a calming effect, and it should be somewhat minimalistic. There shouldn't be too much going on there because you want your viewer to pay attention to the facts, and they shouldn't lose their attention. After selecting a video, drag its borders so it fits into the canvas designed for YouTube Shorts. Next, make sure there's no video sound. For that, click on the video and find the volume slider at the top. Just moving it to 0 will mute it. The final step is to drag the header so that your short is around 6 seconds long, and you are done with the video background. Step 3. Layout for the facts. Next is how to lay out the content. If you follow these steps carefully, it will be a one-time effort, and your format will be future-proof. First, go to the text section on the left and select the style according to your preference. Next, drag the text box to the top and resize it according to your style. Then replace the text with the word topic. Next, select the text and at the top you'll see the option to change the text color. From there, select the white color. For the text box background, go to the effects and select background. Usually it's black by default, but if it's not, make sure to do so since it makes a good contrast with white text. Remember, you want your viewers to be engaged, and by increasing the readability, you are making that possible. Next, you'll be adding the text boxes for the facts themselves, which are part 1 and part 2. The steps are pretty much the same, however the key difference is to set them in the middle and drag them horizontally until their borders meet the purple line. You can also remove the background and add outlines, but that's up to you. Another thing you need to be careful with is placing the Part 2 box just below the Part 1 box. It will all make sense in a moment, so trust me right now. Step 4. Setting the timelines for the text boxes. This is one of the most crucial steps in the process. Choosing what appears at what time in the video determines how much engagement the short will get. As a general rule, you need to show part 1 of the fact for almost 4 seconds and part 2 for 2 seconds. Even if the viewer misses part 2, they will want to watch the video again or pause it at that moment. Everything that increases engagement and tricks the algorithm in your favor. Just right-click on part 1 and select Show Timeline. Next, you'll see a slider at the bottom that shows the duration of that section. Drag it to 4 seconds and you're good to go. Next, just right-click on part 2 and then repeat the process. Just make sure that part 2 shows after part 1 and that the duration is around 2 seconds. Step 5. Bulk Create. If you're worried about how you will manage to add the facts in their respective boxes for every single video, that's where Canva comes in clutch. Just click on Apps on the left and you'll find the tool Bulk Create over there. Just select that tool and click on Enter Data manually. Now, go back to the table ChatGPT made for us and copy it. Once done, return to Canva and you'll see a table. Just click on the top left box on the table and paste. The table will automatically be converted to what ChatGPT made. Now the magic begins, because through this method, all the boxes will be filled automatically, and Canva will make multiple videos for you with just a single click. Now, you need to connect the data to the specific elements in your layout. Right-click on the text box that says Topic and choose Connect Data. Then select Topic. Repeat the process for the other 2 sections. And you're almost done. Next, move the Part 2 box to where the box of Part 1 is. This will align your text, giving your video more consistency. After the step is done, just click on Continue, and Canva will make 50 videos for you in an instant. Step 6. Trendy Audio. You're pretty much done at this point. Once your videos are downloaded, you can use any online video editor. Add trendy music to them. This step will push your videos a little bit more. Next, just save the videos somewhere and you are ready to make bank. Step 7. Upload and enjoy. Well, just start uploading videos to your YouTube channel, and if you make them engaging enough, you'll be making money in no time. If you want to automate this process as well, you can use services such as Buffer, which can post your videos automatically to multiple platforms simultaneously. But that's for another video. Well, that was it. Will you be following this method so you can finally make that dream PC? Let us know in the comments below.